Let's imagine that you've just finished the Friendly Chat app and published it. At first you see that your user base is growing, but then you look over at the analytics and you start to notice a drop in active users and user engagement. For instance, in the database, you notice that some of the users are sending very, very long messages. When users are chatting with friends, there's a good chance they don't want to read a dissertation. Yeesh, just look at these messages. These users are trying to coordinate plans to go to the movies, but at this rate, they'll never make it on time. Currently, in the main activity, you can see that there's this variable default message length, and it's set to 1,000. I wonder if these long messages might be reducing user engagement, and this would actually be a great thing to consider doing an A/B test for. You could run one to try to help you find the best message limit length, but for simplicity's sake, in this example at least, we're going to use remote config to change the friendly chat message length for all users. Okay, here I am in the console, and I'm going to go ahead over here, scroll down, and open up remote config. The first thing that you need to do when starting out with remote config is to create a parameter in the Firebase console. I'm going to scroll down and click Add Your First Parameter here. I'm going to make a nod towards text messaging and set my friendly message length to be 140 characters. That seems like a tried and true amount of characters for friends to use while chatting. I'll then go ahead and click Add Parameter and publish my changes. Now this is actually everything you need to set up in the Firebase console, but I won't know what's happening for sure until I check the analytics and see if my user engagement has increased. Anyways, we're done with the Firebase console stuff for now, so let's go ahead and jump into the app code.